Welcome to Once Upon Wall Street, a financial journey through the eyes of legendary investor Peter Lynch, one of the greatest minds in the world of investing. In this book, Lynch doesn't just teach you how to invest, he tells you how to think like an investor. Glowing Star Chapter 1. Wall Street isn't a mystery. Wall Street can seem intimidating. All those charts, tickers, and financial jargon. But Peter Lynch strips away the noise. He says, you don't need to be a genius to succeed in the market. You just need to observe what's around you. Lynch began his career at Fidelity Investments and turned the Magellan Fund into the best-performing mutual fund in the world. But his approach was simple. Invest in what you know. He believed that ordinary people have an edge. You spot trends at the mall, the grocery store, or even your child's toy collection, often before Wall Street analysts do. Chart with Upward Trend Chapter 2, The Power of Observation. Imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop and see a line out the door. Everyone's talking about this new drink. That's not just a coincidence. It could be a clue. Lynch encourages investors to watch what's popular, understand why people love it, and then do the homework. That's how he discovered winning stocks like Dunkin' Donuts and Hands. His golden rule? Find a great company with strong growth, good earnings, and solid management, and buy before the crowd does. Left-pointing magnifying glass Chapter 3. Do your homework. Peter Lynch wasn't just about instincts. He was about research. Once you find a company you like, read the annual report, look at earnings history, understand the product, the industry, and the competition. He simplifies this in a memorable way. If you can't explain to a 10-year-old why you own a stock in 2 minutes, you probably shouldn't own it. And remember, hype doesn't equal profit. Don't chase trends. Chase value. Electric Light Bulb Chapter 4. Invest for the long term. Lynch stresses the importance of patience. Markets go up and down. But good companies, they weather the storm and grow. He says, everyone has the brain power to make money in stocks. Not everyone has a stomach. The secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Lynch often held on to great stocks for years, letting compound growth work its magic. No Entry Sign Chapter 5. Avoid these mistakes. Peter Lynch is also clear on what not to do. Don't follow the crowd. Don't panic during downturns. Don't fall for hot tips or market fads. He reminds us, the real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. He urges investors to stay rational, keep emotions in check, and stick to the plan. Final takeaway, you have an edge. You don't need Wall Street experience. You don't need fancy degrees. You just need curiosity, discipline, and a willingness to pay attention to the world around you. As Lynch says, investing is fun, exciting, and dangerous if you don't do any work. But if you do, the stock market can be your greatest wealth-building tool. So next time you're out shopping or scrolling your feed, ask yourself, what do I see that others don't yet? Because once upon a time, on Wall Street, a small idea turned into a big fortune. Maybe yours is next. Headphone thank you for listening to this audiobook summary of Once Upon Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Happy investing!